incredible at creating a great place to work.
I love what you're doing to change lives for the better. I love who you are, and I love being with a company that empowers us as leaders. This is who we are, and we're empowered to be who we choose to be here.
If you're being kind at Quack Car Wash, you show that you care, you are honest, and you are committed.
And then the things I hear about the love and the expectations and how they're growing and how much they love working for you, I cannot tell you how good it makes me feel.
And you can choose to be happier day by day. And I love what you're doing for each other to change lives for the better. And thank you for being you. Love you guys.